The Atlantic City Racecourse, more often referred to as the AC Raceway, was opened July 22, 1946. The racecourse is located in Mays Landing, New Jersey. This racecourse was built for people to enjoy the sport of horse racing. The main track consists of a 1/1/8 mile track that is also 100 feet 30 meters wide of dirt. The stretch portion of the track is 947 feet 288 meters. The track was a huge thing in its prime, hosting an estimated 100,000 people in 1969 at the Atlantic City Pop Festival. Due to the decrease in popularity of horse racing, the company was losing business fast. On January 9, 2015, Greenwood, the company that owns the raceway, announced the closing of the raceway. The last race ever was on January 16, 2015, and has not been opened since. The raceway has been left for over 4 years now, and LSG Adventures has come to explore it.
Is it worth coming in here now, Jackass? You already know we're going over there.